Hello grade 7, this is our video for the assignment 8 formats, cell appearance and enter transactions. Today you have some skills that we have to cover during the class. The first thing we have to format, if you go through the elements that we have in this file, what you need today is your Google Sheets or Excel software, whatever you're using, it's fine. Number 2, you have to open the assignment 8 video, the one that obviously I am recording right now. Number 3, investment portfolio file. This file you will find on Google Classroom as well. Number 1, here we have the vault. This is our main idea, the thing that we have to be done with, or the thing that we have to learn. We have to learn how to format, cell, appearance, and enter transactions. Okay, number 2, we have the wealth. Number 1 of the wealth, you have to format the cells, add borders, currency, decrease the decimal. Number 2, we need to copy and paste a range of cells, which is for a purpose of duplication. We will duplicate a table that we already created before, but actually I prepared for you another example to be complete with all of the formulas and all of the data needed. And in this, we need to copy the range of cells and we will paste it in a different place, so we will have two tables like with the same everything, same data, same value, and same numbers. Number 3, we have to clear the content of the entered numbers and values of the newly pasted table. Means we have to have two tables. The first one has all of the needed numbers, all of the numbers that we have entered before. The second table should be empty, should have only the columns or the table headers and table and rows labels, or the name of the name of the shares. Number 3, yeah, we finished it. Number 4, we have a challenging question. Whenever you finish all of the previous skills, you have to add a pie chart to the cells starting from A4 till D12. For answering this question, you need to go Google and search it to find the correct answer, and you need to apply as well on the file that you have. After that, make sure to save your file correctly. Make sure it's saved, and it's saved inside a good place that you know how to open it next week, because we are going to use the same file next week as well. Okay, after you finish all of those, you need to go to the Google Classroom again. You have an assignment 8 assessment, a simple assessment. It has only 3 or 4 questions. You just answer them, but this is mandatory. It's too important to answer them. It's going to be marked. Okay, this number 4 is just to ensure that you can see the question of the challenging question to add the pie chart. Let's start. We will go to the Google Classroom. We have here inside the classwork tab assignment 8, format, cell, appearance, and enter whatever. We have here, this is the file that I just read it for you, and we have down here the file that we have to use, the template that we have to download. You will touch the file, then you need to go to download, open in a new window, because it can work also with Google. From here you have this sign, the download, if you will use Excel. If you will not use Excel, if you're going to use Google Sheets, you can use this one, Google Sheets. For me now, because it's officially we are using Excel, so I will download it and I will be using Excel software. This is the file that you have to use. Let's go through the steps. I'm gonna open both of the screens in front of me. I have here this screen. I'm gonna follow the steps from this part. Okay, so the first thing, I need to format the cells. How am I supposed to do this? I need to add borders. Okay, let's go back to the Excel. We have here those cells, they don't have borders. We need to add borders. So we select the range of cells starting from A5, then remain pressing on the shift key then touch the cell D14 or D13. Now we selected a range of cells. There is another way that you can click on the first one and just drag, keep pressing by the mouse and drag till you highlight all of the range of cells that you need. Okay, now we need to go to the icon. This icon is called bottom border. We need to touch it like this. You can use only the bottom border like this, okay, or you can just touch the arrow and use all borders like that. This is gonna be the result when you choose all borders. Okay, so we are done now from the first one. We are gonna highlight it to make sure that we are done with it. We have the second one is currency. You may pause the video and finish every skill, then you go back to the video and play and then go to the next skill. We have here the currency. We need to change the numbers format. I need to select, remember we just said that if you want to select a range of cells, we click on the first cell, then we remain pressing on the shift key from the keyboard, then touch the last cell. Now all of the cells that I have in this range, they are all numbers. I don't have any text. So I selected all of the numbers, then I will go to the general, this one, then I will pick the currency, or we can do it also from here. But from the book it says that we can use it from this one number format. So we put the currency. Because of our region is in UAE, it's showing that it's gonna be with the AED. What if I want to change this AED to a dollar sign? I need to go here, then more number formats, then you go to currency, and from here, from the symbol, you just switch to a dollar sign, then click OK. Now it just changed it to a dollar sign, so we're fine, we're good. This was our second skill to finish. We are done with it. We need to decrease the decimal. How to decrease the decimal? If you can see, this icon is so simple and so easy. Just remain selecting, keep selecting the cells that you need to. Can you see these 2 zeros? We need to remove them. So we will come here. If you stand over any icon, you will get the name or the info about this icon. So if you stand here, this is decrease and this is increase. We need to decrease. We need to remove the zeros. We need to remove the decimal. Okay, now they have been removed. I have also this 90. These should be $90, and this number should be $528. So I will do the same for them. From general, I'm gonna use the currency, and if it comes like an AED, I have to go to the currency and make sure that you select currency from here, then choose the dollar sign, then okay. Now also you need to decrease the decimal. Let's go back. We have here, did we decrease the decimal? Yes, we did. So we just highlight this to make sure that we finished it. Now it's turn for copy and paste a range of cells. We just did it actually. We just selected the range of cells, but we did not copy. I need to duplicate all of this table. This one. Starting from A3, can you see the range of cell? If I stand here, this is A3. You can see the name from the name box, or just follow the column, then the row. So as we know, the letter comes first. The letter comes first. So here we have the letter and then the number. After that, we have to touch. We have to press. You know how to select the range of cells. So the first thing you select the first cell of the range, which is A3. And what is my last cell of this range? Let's go back to the wealth and wealth. Should be from A3 till D14. We have to touch. We have to press on the key, on the shift key from the keyboard, then touch D14. Here is D14. Now I selected all of my range of cells. You have 2 ways to copy, or actually 3 ways. The first one, Control C if you are using a Windows software or Windows operating system, or Command C if you are using a MacBook, and you can copy from here, from the group, from the home tab group here or from the ribbon, or you can just make right click, then copy. So you have like 3 ways, one of them from the keyboard, the other one from the ribbon, the last one right click on the range of cells, then copy. Now I need to paste where, in which cell should I paste? It's gonna be in A16. You can paste also with three ways. First one from the ribbon, or from the keyboard Control V or Command V, or you can just right click and paste. Now we have 2 tables. You still have this selection. How do I remove it? You just touch ESC key from the keyboard, which is escape. It's at the top left of the keyboard. If you touch escape, it's gonna remove the selection. Okay, let's go back to the Walt and Wealth to highlight what we finished. We really finished those 2 steps. We copied and we pasted, so we have duplicated table. Now number 3 here in the main skills, we have to clear the content of the entered numbers and values of the newly pasted table. So I have to go here. This is the newly pasted table. I need to remove all of the content of numbers, entered numbers and values. So I just select the range of the cells like that, then touch delete from the keyboard, and also this is gonna be the same. If you finish this, you need to go to Google and search how to insert a pie chart. You have to go to Google and find how to insert a pie chart for a range of cells. You can go to YouTube, you can go to Google, do whatever you want, but show me that you can do it. Now the most important step is save, because we are going to use this next week as well. We have File tab, Save As, then you need to go to the desktop or anywhere you want, call it Investment Portfolio. Maybe you can make a new folder for yourself or something. Now you'll just touch save, and I will be having the file on my desktop. Thank you guys. Hope you can do everything using the video, and if you have any further questions, do not hesitate to reach out.